Hello guys, this is Kanishk here for Minecraft Tricks, and today I'm gonna show you how to manage your animals. Actually, in the Minecraft we use lots of animals to ride, to play with us. For riding we use horses, donkeys, mules, pigs, etc. etc. And we use dogs for our entertainment and hunting. But sometimes it would be really difficult to manage them. They would often run away. We should lure them with wheat or meat or bones, something. But what will we do in our world? We would probably tie them to a post. That's the easiest way to manage. So they have implemented the same concept in the new Minecraft 1.0.4. So today I'm going to show you how to work out that, how to tie the animals in the post. So open your Minecraft app. Take a time. Oh, okay, thank you. Actually, it has crashed before. Who changed the skin? Steve. Jesse. Okay, so first I'm going to show you when we tie the post how would it look like. So it is taking some time. Oh my god. Okay, so it would look like this. When we tie the animals, it would look like this. Even pigs we can tie it. Look that, saw that, guys? So we, as the tying post, we're gonna use fence. Let's try to lure the zombies. Okay, you play with them, buddy. Right. Go. Okay. Here, I have tamed a donkey. So with this donkey, I'm gonna shoot. So if you don't know to tame the donkey, please see my other video, how to tame horse. The same way you should. Okay. After taming your horse, take the leg. It would be available in the sword option here. After taking it, go to the animal and click on leash. So even if you go some distances, it would follow you. And very simple, guys. This is very simple. Just click on the post. It would go up there and it will be tied. It won't go anywhere. It cannot go anywhere. Even dogs, guys. This is my dog. Stand. Where are you going? Okay, keep going. Saw that, guys? Okay, buddy. Okay, go kill him. As a morning workout, you gotta kill him. Oh, he's attacking the villagers. Okay, I need you now. Come here. Hey, come here. He's just a fast runner. I love him. Yeah. Hey! Where are you going? Come here! I said you will come here. Not you villager guys. So okay, so follow the same method and click on leave. What? Trade! So we can trade the animals. Okay, so spawn the wolf. Leash. Hey, I leashed it. After alarm. Okay, I'm gonna put a fence here. Click on it, that's all. Okay. Sit. Okay guys, leave a like, subscribe.